As a video editor, you probably often ask yourself, how can I improve my videos? You soon realize quality transitions, sound effects, and LUTs make a big difference in your edits. But where do you find them? Today we are going to review the VisualVFX all-in-one bundle, which offers that and much more. In this video we are going to try to give answers to questions like, what does the bundle include? How do you use it? And most importantly, who is this for? Let's get started! In previous videos we've shown you some powerful transitions, but you've probably noticed that sometimes creating them from scratch requires a lot of time. With the bundle, everything becomes easier. To install it, simply run this file right here with Davinci Resolve opened. This window will pop up and you will select Install. In my case, it's already installed in Davinci. Once you get it installed, it's time to use them. Here in the effects, select for video transitions. Pick one that you think is the best. You can also see a preview by passing your mouse pointer at the transition. Remember that for a transition to work, you need to crop your videos a bit so Davinci has enough information to do the transition. Let me add this one right here. And there we go. You can see that the transition is not running smoothly in my timeline. To fix that, just go here at Playback, Render Cache, and select the Smart option. Just replay it a couple of times and that's what I'm talking about. Very smooth. To finalize, let's change the transitions parameters a bit. Hop over to Inspector tab right here and select this Effects option. Here you can change the length, frames, and add a target to your transition. I'll add one and let's make it right here at the center. Pretty neat, right? I guess even better to the left. The sky isn't the limit for us. If you want to use this transition and others from this video, check out VisualVFX. The license provided to you is for life and can be used as many times as you want, and there are smaller packs, for example with only transition that costs as little as $15. All you have to do to use them is have Davinci Resolve 17.2 or higher. We also provided a special bonus for all viewers. If you choose to get the all-in-one bundle, you will get $10 discount by following the link in the description and using the promo code. Go on! Don't waste time because the discount is available only for the next 2 weeks. Moving on to the light leaks. You are probably wondering why should I use them. Using light leaks can be a fantastic way to give your footage a dynamic, custom look, and they are surprisingly easy to work with. I have here a rocket launch and I segmented the video into some parts. For this first one, I'll use this light leak here. I'll crop it to the time that this orange light appeared to simulate that's coming from the rocket. After that, all I need to do is go here in the inspector and change the composite mode to screen. I'm going to pick another one and do the same for the other portion of the video. A nice touch that you can do, depending on your video, is change the light leak opacity, which will change its strength in your video. Since I want to give a more aggressive lighting effect, I'll leave the value always to 100%. I'll do it for the rest of the video and the differences are just nuts. The light leaks gave more reality to the video. For next, we are going for the LUTs or lookup table, which change the color space of your videos. But before using them, we need to take some notes. Here in the Color tab, we will go for the effects. Here we will search for Color Space Transform. The input color space will be the camera you used during the recording. Since it wasn't me who made it, I'll pick one that I like the most. In this case, Blackmagic Wide Gamut Gen 4/5. In this other selection, choose the same or the most similar option available for you. In my case, it's Blackmagic Extended Gen 5. Here in the output color space, select Recording 709. Most likely, choose the 2.4 or the 2.2 gamma output option. Since I want a darker footage, I'll pick the 2.2. Let's go finally to the LUT control. Add a corrector node and pick a region of your video that has white to do an automatic white balance. Make sure these color wheels are selected and then click on this icon White Balance. Pick with the left button of your mouse something white and that's it. Now let's add another node and here in LUTs, let me pick one from VisualVFX options here and I can preview then how the final effect will look like, just like we did with the transitions. This very first one, 12 Years a Slave, really got my attention. There are still tons of other LUTs for you to try. I'll keep the 12 years LUT to the third node, and that's it. Here is a quick comparison before the adjustment and after the adjustments that we've made. Not too shabby. And by the way, the all-in-one bundle includes a sound library as well, which personally is my favorite part of the bundle. It really can make your videos more appealing and interesting to watch. And to answer the most important question, who is this for? If you are a beginner to intermediate video editor, if you don't have tens, even hundreds of hours for creating your own transitions, light leaks, LUTs, or record your own sound effects, if you would rather focus on creating better videos instead, I would say the all-in-one bundle is for you. What you get for the price you pay is worth it, in my opinion. If this video was helpful, leaving a comment would mean a lot to us. Until next time!